Good morning world, I'm Damian from the Monkeys and it's beautiful Monday after morning, actually not afternoon, morning. It's sunny, hot, already very hot, it's 9 o'clock. I want to show you my neighborhood in Sanur. Residential area. This is actually part 3 or part 4. I show you most of the places, but this is very beautiful and so many beautiful places, houses, villas, and also expats and local people living around, and it's just simply beautiful and enjoy. Here we go. This is the entrance to the Pasar Sindhu, and we have a small Wemo at the front at the beginning of the video. And this is the one of the biggest residential areas in Sanur. I will put the name of the street in the corner, but next to the Pasar Sindhu there is the road, and at the front there is so many local warungs selling many things, especially for local people, but also for the foreigners. Like if you wanna buy some food, especially for breakfast, nasi campur, nasi bungkuf, stuff like this, you can definitely get this one for local price, because not many tourists in general coming here. I mean, talking about the tourists who are coming to Bali for the holidays, either they are coming to Sanur or anywhere, mostly foreigners who staying here in this area. They are expats who living already here for a longer while, like me, for example, or the retired people. Especially this area is famous for the retired people, because so many on the left, on the right, everywhere here are so many houses and villas for rent. Here closer to the Pasar Sindhu, there is more likely local area, more likely local places, local houses around. But if we're gonna go a little bit more deep inside, there will be so many villas. There are some streets where only villas, and they are mixed between local and foreigners. Here, if you go left, you're gonna go right. They are small gangs, not suitable at all for driving a car. But you can get also to Sanur Center, to Jalan Tamblingan, or go to the main road, bypass road. And here we go. Here's already so much more villas around. Even here is a place called Mahagiri. Over here, there are complex of houses or villas. I think maybe even small hotels, because here also you can have small hotels, like boutique hotels, and also guest houses. Also, right now, during current situation, there are quite many places for long term. If you would like to come here and live longer, rent something for a month, 2 or half year, or even 1 year, is definitely area good for you. Personally, I never stay here, never. Look at this one, so many villas in the small gangs. This is all villas on the left right now. Back to the topic. Personally, I never lived here, not yet, but I know as many expats, especially retired people living here in this area, and they are happy. I know as the many viewers even who watching us daily, maybe even today, there's some of you guys living here. So, and from the stories of you, I know this area is safe, and many nice villas really around here. Used to be also some small warungs, but unfortunately, because of currently demand is very small, many of these villas are empty, waiting for rent. They are closed, but well, obviously if you have a villa or house, it doesn't matter if you are living there or not. If you would like to rent, it's ready. You just have to sign the contract, and you can live here and be my neighbor in Sanur. Well, I live very close by, so this is still like my neighborhood. Potentially, I could consider if I didn't live here, but it's very close by. And we are gonna go now to the area where so many actually villas, specific villas, and only villas. Some of them, they are fancy. We're gonna go soon, but here at the front, there is the back side of the Prime Plaza Suits. There is the one Prime Plaza Suits on the main street. So on the right, if actually you will go, there are only hotels. But here are villas and also a little bit of empty land. But still empty here. And we're gonna go here. There is small street. I think this is Chempaka Street. over here, oops, little bit bumpy. And here already there are only villas around, and many of them they are new villas or newer villas, and they are pretty fancy. So there are many villas here also owned by the local people, mostly from Jakarta or other islands of Indonesia, who having businesses in Sanur. Because maybe if you don't know, many business owners in Sanur and everywhere around the Bali, they are owned by the people from different islands of Indonesia. Here is very nice villa. Many of these villas are for rent or buy or lease. This street is new, pretty newer than the rest of area of Sanur here, because that was the empty land for ages, and then eventually some developers decide to buy the land and make villas. As you see everywhere around, so many beautiful villas. Unfortunately, I cannot show you around. For some reason, the agencies who renting villas in Bali, they don't really want to cooperate. They don't want to show the villas. Usually they say, if you want to use, you can use my picture and that's it. We're not going to show you. I don't know why. However, if you're a villa agent or you know somebody who would like to cooperate with me, I would really like to show a few villas inside the residential area and the villa inside. Just let me know, comment below, or give the contacts to the agent or agent to me, and we're gonna make some beautiful vlogs, beautiful videos. But meanwhile, I can show you the area from outside. And here is the older street and already a little bit older businesses. Many local people also living here. Basically, local people living here, Balinese people, well, originally from this part of Sanur, foreigners, long-term expats, and also expats from different islands of Indonesia, if I can call them expats. Something like this. Also have to be careful, the speed bumps here are very high. Don't break your car. Easy to break your bumpers in your car in Bali because some cars are smaller. Pretty nice area, and this is already Jalan Kesari 2. Jalan Kesari 1, 2. Confused. I'm gonna put on the screen. Anyway, this is continuation to Jalan Kesari, what I make 2 weeks ago. Beautiful video, many of you enjoyed, and this is just the continuation. I have to say thank you as he give me the space. Here I think there is the hotel somewhere or big complex of villas, that's why it's the wall like this, big wall. I will speed up a little bit, but anyway, so many local houses also around. There is also galungan coming, so people preparing the penjor. Penjor is the bamboo sticks like this at the front for the Balinese holidays. And here is the one of the villa also next to the forest, I think complex of villas, few of them. And here is the forest, quiet big piece of land what is empty. I'm not sure if it's for sale, but probably one day there will be villas here. But anyway, there are villas on the one side of the street already, and at least it's cooler here. Oh yes, land is for rent. I saw the paper. It's not for sale, but for rent. Anyway, here so many villas, and lady is driving. Also beautiful statues, Balinese statues here. Yeah, there's supposed to be even the ATM, I think, or something. Many villas around. Really nice villas, and this is the water guy. Hello. Happy to be on the camera, and the lady is spraying here. Dog was walking on the street. Jalan Kesari 2. I think this is Kesari 2. Kesari 1, Kesari 2, anyway, Kesari streets. And that's it from me from today. This is beautiful entrance to the villa, to the house. If you're gonna go straight behind me, there is the German consulate. This is the same place where I start vlogging today. I make like a circle around, so starting from the north Sanur going to southwest Sanur, and I hope so you enjoyed. You can comment below what do you think, if you would like to live here, and also tell me if you like the kind of videos like this. I can show you more residential areas. This is still maybe one video from Sanur, but it's also Seminyak, many other areas of Bali. So comment below, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya.